I should have worn a bigger coat today. Not the most pleasant day out there today. That's okay, we're going to do a couple of webinars today because we're in the middle of Q4. And Q4 for us is just as important as Q4 for you. We know that people do just a disproportionate amount of business in the fourth quarter. For some industries, it's because the industry taught buyers to wait to Q4. Other industries, it's because the buyers actually just wake up from this summer slumber. So let's go see how our team's doing getting us ready for the Q4 webinars. I bet everything's going to be set up nicely. And we're really going to try and think about how do we help both salespeople and sales leaders knock the ball out of the park in Q4. We're going to share some strategies, some processes, and always some tools. Because all we're trying to do is figure out how we help somebody in a 20-minute webinar to get better at professional B2B selling. How are things going?
All good. We're just about getting ready to set up for the webinar.
So do we still have to do webinars if it's raining outside?
I think unfortunately.
We still have to do.
Yeah.
So here's the way it's set up. Let's sit down and see how we're doing here. Okay, fantastic. Everything looks great. Thank you for doing that. Really important question. How's my hair? Is it perfect?
I feel like that's a trick question.
Okay, let's see how this thing goes.